Hello everyone! It's Faith again and welcome back to my channel. As I've mentioned last February sa aking last giveaway, I'm going to do a monthly giveaway hanggang kaya ko. So here we are. I'm doing another giveaway again, but this time it will be a beginner's kit giveaway. I think it was Jovelyn Urbano. So hello Jovelyn, if you're watching. It was her who requested a beginner's kit like video, and because of her request, naka-idea ako na paano kaya kung beginner's kit na lang yung ipapa-giveaway ko. So here we are. Lahat ng ginamit ko sa aking mukha ngayon is on this kit. So if you wanna know what's my beginner's Kikay kit and what you are going to win, then please keep on watching. Okay, so here is the bag. Ito yung binili ko kasi puti lang. I love white. Kung nakikita nyo naman dito sa room ko, as in white talaga, except for that curry right there. As in, I love white. So, white yung napili ko, and then my touch of melon dito. Diba? Para cute lang. And then, here is what's inside. Okay, before I talk about what's inside, for the mechanics of the giveaway, the same pa rin. First, you have to be a subscriber to my channel, so please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and also the notification bell if you want to be notified for my future uploads. And the first item that you will win will be the Bello Tinted Sunscreen. I bought two of this, so one for me and one for you. So here it is. Nakarap pa siya sa bubble wrap kasi syempre straight sa inyo na ito. I'll be having a review about this soon, so please watch out for it. So yes. Okay, the next mechanics is number 2. You have to like this video, comment down below. Any comments will do with your Instagram and Twitter usernames. And then the next item, you are going to win the Misha Under Eye Brightener Concealer. So this is what it looks like. So the tinted sunscreen will even out your skin tone, and this will help hide the dark under eye circles or any spots on your face that you want to hide. So this will do the trick. So yeah, that is the second item, first and second. And then the third mechanics is you have to follow me on my social media accounts. I have a Facebook page named Faith Mikiabas. So you can like my page, my Facebook page. Then you have to follow me on Twitter and on Instagram. So my usernames are the same, jfaithy25, jfaithey25. And the third item that you will win will be the Tony Moly Delight Tony Tint by Tony Moly, of course. So it looks dark, it looks scary there, pero this is red. Scary lang siya tingnan kasi para siyang bloodshot red. Parang yung sa KGM lang. It looks scary pero maganda to, guys. Favorite to ni Anakay. I remember Anakay raving about Tony Moly lip tints, and it was on her favorites video for a long time, as in when she was still starting in YouTube, as in favorite na favorite niya to. So I got you a Tony Moly lip tint. So that's the third item on this Kikay kit. The fourth item that you will win will be an eyebrow pencil. So this one is the 3W Clinic Auto Eyebrow Pencil. So don't be deceived, guys, kasi both ends are pencils talaga. Like pencils. So I got the shade dark brown kasi diba para safe tayo on this Kikay kit. So you have the bag, the tinted sunscreen, the Tony Moly lip tint, the concealer, and then the eyebrow pencil. So, ito yung Kikay kit ko when I was still in high school. I started wearing makeup since I was still in high school. Tapos, nung grade 6 ako, yung bang Johnson's Baby Powder lang. And then, nag-level up nung high school ako. Naging pressed powder. And then, when I went to college, ayun nga, nag-level up na until now. But, if you ask me what is my beginner's Kikay kit, when I was still really starting with makeup, these items I can recommend to all of our students out there. So, yes. Yan lang ang ating very small giveaway for this month, and I hope you like this video somehow. I was thinking of doing the Ann Klutz makeup brush set na giveaway, but na-sold out na kasi siya, hindi ako nakaabot. Kasi this month will be her second launch, and aabangan ko talaga para yun yung ipapag-giveaway ko sa inyo next month. So yes. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this giveaway. And please follow the mechanics. I'm not going to put it on the description box below. Kaya dapat talaga pinanood yung video na ito from the beginning until the end. And then the winners will be announced on March 31st, of course, the end of this month. And I'm going to announce it on all of my social media accounts, including on this video. I'm just going to pin my comment para makita nyo. I hope you enjoyed today's video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!